of vibration, explained. How to use this universal law to your advantage. Unlimited universe, frequency explained. Understanding the 12 universal laws of the universe can help shift your point of view and way to deal with life. And keeping in mind that the law of attraction is the most notable, different laws need your consideration, as well, including the law of vibration. This is what this normal law is about, in addition to how otherworldly specialists prescribe utilizing it for your potential benefit. The 12 general laws are believed to be the old and perpetual laws of our reality. These laws are frequently connected with Ho'oponopono, an antiquated Hawaiian reflection for opportunity. See link in description for Ho'oponopono. A portion of the laws, nonetheless, are likewise credited to airtight way of thinking returning to Old Egypt. Over the long haul, these laws have been passed down and gotten out and about around the world. Today, a lot of individuals actually use them to help show the existence they want and gain a more profound comprehension of the real world. Make certain to look at our full manual for every one of the 12 all-inclusive universal laws in case you're interested to know more. See link in description. The law of vibration, explained. The second universal law, the law of vibration, posits that everything, every atom, object, and living thing, is in constant motion, vibrating at a specific frequency. The speed or rate at which something vibrates is alluded to as its recurrence, with the lone distinction between one article and another being the pace of its vibration. You can consider this recurrence vibrational energy. Somebody's energy, or the energy of an actual space or a gathering of individuals, isn't something you can see or contact, yet it's something you sense, feel, and respond to. The entire thought behind this law isn't just that we as a whole have a particular vibrational recurrence in any case, further, that we can figure out how to change our vibration in case we're trapped in a low vibrational encounter or situation. The more you adjust to your own energy, the more you perceive what your energies mean for your whole experience. The law of vibration, explained. How to use this universal law to your advantage. Unlimited universe, frequency explained. The most effective method to utilize the law of vibration for your potential benefit. 1. For manifesting. To manifest anything, we should initially coordinate with the vibration of what it is we're searching for. You will just draw into yourself energy that coordinates with your energy. You will just draw in vibrations that coordinate with your vibration. Let's assume you need to show more riches, yet you continually consider how you need more cash. Recollect that your contemplations additionally have vibrational energy. The idea, "I need more cash," really holds a vibration of need and could prompt an inevitable outcome. We have the ability to direct the recurrence of our being by coordinating our own contemplations. 2. For navigating situations. As per Richardson, taking advantage of this general law can help you sort out how you feel in a circumstance or situation at some random time. When you observe what feels high vibrational to you, like mentalities, places, and individuals that vibe interfacing, sound, and energizing. It's simpler to detect when you are within the sight of high energies. 3. For managing emotions. What's more, obviously, feelings likewise hold vibrational frequencies, and working with this law can assist you with exploring them. Feelings are amazing advisors to shift us into a higher, more adjusted condition. Adding feelings can go from low frequency, dread, disgrace, and so forth, to high frequency, satisfaction, joy and love. There are no terrible sentiments, it's all energy that needs to push ahead. When we feel anxious or stressed, this is simply energy that wants to move through us and be released. The law of vibration helps us recognize when we're moving through dense, heavy emotions, so we can let them go and maintain a higher frequency. 5 ways to raise your vibration and start feeling good. 1. Practice self-care. Richardson prescribes rehearsing self-care consistently to raise your vibration and appear on the planet in a more clear, more grounded way. Also, the pleasant thing about self-care is it can appear to be unique for everyone. Whether it's by taking a weekly bath ritual, prioritizing getting out into nature, or journaling. When you take care of yourself, your vibration will reflect it. 2. Nourish and feed your body. Sustaining your body with a high vibrational eating regimen and development schedule is crucial. Heavy, unhealthy foods can certainly lower our energy, as you've probably noticed after a particularly rich meal. In the interim, healthy, whole food sources can leave you feeling vivaciously light and not heavy and undigestible. Essentially, when we're not getting sufficient exercise, we can feel stale, while a decent exercise can leave us stimulated. 3. Find what feels good for you, and do it. One of the best ways to build up a solid foundation of being in alignment and raising your vibration is to focus on daily activities that make you feel good and balanced. Once more, this will appear to be unique for everybody, except she prescribes continually attempting to zero in on satisfaction, love, and harmony, as these vibrations help you feel better and more joyful. 4. Meditate. Feelings are one of the essential drivers of our enthusiastic frequency or vibration. Getting or extending a contemplation practice can improve our capacity to manage feelings, let things go, and raise our vibration simultaneously. There are a lot of various sorts of reflection to try, so examination and discover one that works for you. 5. Cut out low vibrational people, places, and things. And lastly, don't underestimate the effect the external world has on your vibration. The more you work with the law of vibration, the more you'll have the option to hold your own energy consistent, paying little mind to outside impact while focusing on your own. However, those who are new to this work or are highly sensitive might find this challenging. Obviously, it's difficult to remove low vibrational circumstances of your life through and through. Yet, when you can do as such, keeping away from individuals, spots, and things that channel your energy can help secure the high recurrence you've been developing. The law of vibration, explained. How to use this universal law to your advantage. Unlimited universe, frequency explained. Law of vibration versus law of attraction. You may be pondering, how is this law unique in relation to the law of attraction? It's a decent inquiry, as they are comparative, and can even cooperate. The law of vibration is the primary law that should occur under the steady gaze of the law of attraction. In making that vibration inside yourself, you summon the law of vibration purposely, and really at that time can the law of fascination occur. The law of vibration is about matching the specific frequency of what you're looking for, and the law of attraction takes this idea a bit further by allowing you to create the frequency within yourself by any means, like visualization, meditation, or affirmations. Do whatever it takes to change your vibrations. Toward the day's end, at whatever point we're showing, we need to work with these two laws so we can both draw in and vibrate at a similar level as what we need. What you line up with vibrationally is simpler to draw into your life, good vibrations. The bottom line. The law of vibration shows us that everything is energy, and we can coordinate with the energy of anything we're hoping to show. Alongside the 11 other all-inclusive laws, this one can help us access a more adjusted and plentiful life. See in the description link. Unlimited Universe. Subscribe, like, comment, share.